In this question, we'll simplify an expression using the rules for order of operations. Although the expression looks somewhat complicated, if we do it step by step using the rules, we will get to a single number as an answer for our simplified form. Going through this expression, the first thing we need to do is evaluate expressions that are inside parentheses or inside grouping symbols. As you can see, these braces are outside grouping symbols, and these brackets are also outer grouping symbols. The inner grouping symbols are inside the parentheses. So we can actually work through some of the grouping symbol, or some of the simplifications inside the parentheses on the first step. I'm going to write 8 times, and I will copy the brace. And now I'm going to simplify what's inside these parentheses. 20 minus 11 is 9. And write the multiplication sign. I'll write the bracket. And now I'm going to simplify what's inside the next set of parentheses, 12 plus 48. That is 60. Copy the division sign, copy the 6, copy the subtraction sign, and simplify what's inside the last set of parentheses, 9 minus 2. That's 7. I'm going to close with the brackets and the braces, and I have simplified inside the innermost set of grouping symbols. On the next set, on the next line, I'm going to simplify now inside of the brackets. Now that's going to take me a couple of steps because there is a division and a subtraction. The rules for order of operations say to do all multiplications and divisions first and then do all additions and subtractions in order from left to right. So I'm going to work inside the brackets using the rules for order of operations. I have 8 times the left brace, and then I have 9 times the bracket. 60 divided by 6 is 10. And then I'll copy the rest of my expression. And on the next line, I can simplify what's inside the bracket, since that's the innermost set of grouping symbols. It gives me 8 times the brace, 9 times, and now 10 minus 7 is 3. I'm left now with just 9 times 3 inside the braces. So in my next step, I'll simplify that. 8 times 9 times 3 is 27. And finally, I just have one operation left to perform, the multiplication 8 times 27, and that is 216. And 216 is the simplified form of that expression.